Uptown Swing.
Level 4.
Week 3. Carrie.
Brian.
This is what we did.
We started with this little variation for followers on a tuck turn. Swap by
And
one
lean
foot.
step, triple step. We did it where we stepped on 2 like I just did. We also did it with a little extra hoppy business.
Zoom and
and lean,
kick
whoop,
and
and
body,
triple
bada.
step. Then we did it from cross-handed.
That's right.
Ba-boom. Do, ba, boom, ba-da, woo.
Zoom.
Wah.
Hey. Roll in. Hey. That way.
Then we did woo. Sorry.
Whoop.
There it is. Then we did a little swing out bonus at the end.
Yeah. A 1. Hey.
5, 6,
zoom,
7,
ba-da,
8, a
woo.
1, 2, a 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, a 3, a 4.
We challenged you to find your own exit from that one based on the feeling from the followers. And that's what we did.
Bye!